how much money can you make with an e-commerce store? Be an e-commerce store or any online store, how much money you can make. Why I decided to start this topic today is because I really have many students asking me these questions. Vernette, how much money can I make with an e-store, with an online store, with a Shopee store? So I got this question all the time. And you know what? It is like always difficult to answer these questions. The reason for this is simple. While there's no guarantee for you to make money, there's also no limit on the amount of money you will able to make. As long as you are running your e-commerce business effectively, you will be able to reach whatever financial goals that you set for yourself. It's just a matter of time. And the purpose of today's section is to show you how to start making sales with your e-store so that you could write your own paycheck. At the end of today's sections, you will be walk away of how you can start making sales using your e-store. You will have some ideas of making sales online. So if you are first time here, I'm Vernette. Welcome, and I am an e-commerce coach helping my students to achieve 5-figure sales using e-commerce business model. Can you starting making sales online is to generate traffic. Why traffic is important? Because when it has a high level of traffic, there are plenty of potential customers who are visiting your store and viewing your products. It will increase the chances of purchase. You are likely to take advantage of any marketing strategies to draw traffic to your store. So what does this mean? It means if there's traffic, there's a potential of making sales. It is a very simple concept. So now your question will be, Vernette, how to generate traffic? In order to generate traffic to your online store, we need to apply marketing strategies. And whatever I suggest here is a low-cost marketing strategies for newbies or for startup. I'm going to share with you 3 low-cost marketing strategies. And the first one is email marketing. Email is an important marketing strategy because it is a platform that people are always checking. So let me ask you a question. How many times a day you check your email? 3 times, 2 times, or 5 times? You will be shocked that the research shows some of us check our email as much as 20 times a day, especially with the rise of mobile use. Checking email is super easy, right? Because when you have email coming in, there will be notifications and you can immediately check in with your mobile phone. So it is super convenient. That being said, right, email marketing can drive a return on investment simply because your email subscriber are your ideal customer, are your targeted audience. As they agree to let you have their email address means they are interested in your brand, in your product, or even in your customer service. A good example of a campaign would be that include free informations, content, giveaway, free promotions, discount, or some discount codes, right? These are the promotional content that you can send through email to your email subscriber. And the second type marketing strategies you can use to drive traffic to your store is to using social media marketing. So social media marketing is a very good marketing strategies to promote your business and generate organic traffic for your website. So you can share blog articles, you can share product or service review, happy customers feedback, company informations, video, into social media platform in a non-sell way to help you to grow a community of loyal followers who will share your contents to others to help you to grow your business. How often you share or you like or you leave a comment on a piece of content that you love on social media? Yeah, that's the power of social media marketing. But one tip that I would like to share with you today is you must appear in the social media platform that your audience are appearing. So for example, if you are in the restaurant business, Alright, restaurant business love to take beautiful food photo and put it in IG. So perhaps you can gain your follower in the IG instead of YouTube. So you must have a IG as a social media platform to attract your potential buyer. The third type is to search engine marketing, and in short form we call that SEO. Search engine optimizations is necessary for every company, for every business, because it is an optimum way to increase your traffic hugely to your website without spending a lot of money on advertising. How SEO works? It is optimizing certain element of your website so that the search engine will rank you as close to the top of the search engine result page when the user search for a group of keywords. When a website is very new, it is best to spend time to optimize on-page elements like content, like the headlines, or even the image. How do you know if SEO works well for you? You go to Google homepage, you key in any keywords that related to your industry, related to your niche, and it should appear on the top 5, if not on the first page of the searching results. You'll notice the marketing effort that I mentioned above, right, is low cost and very, very different from those traditional marketing activities that require huge sum of money, like publish your ads on magazine or on the newspaper, broadcast on the radio, broadcast on the TV. Those traditional marketing activity require huge sum of money and no guarantee of success. But online marketing is very low cost, yet very, very effective. You can do it yourself if you are on a tight budget, whereas the traditional marketing campaign require in-house marketing team, or you are required third-party professional, yet no guarantee results. So here I would like to highlight to you the summary. There are no doubt e-commerce and dropshipping is profitable. It is time to start earning money. It doesn't matter whether you are looking at 10K or 100K per month, but you are just trying to save some extra cash for a rainy day. As long as you running your e-commerce business effectively, you will be able to reach whatever financial goal that you set for yourself. Make sure that you test your marketing campaign and your product pricing. It will help you to grow your e-commerce business. If you find that your customer is willing to pay more, pay a higher price of your product, then it will be spend more money on your marketing efforts. After all, this is a test and learn process. And I hope today's sections is useful to you. Let me know one of the takeaway you learned today.